Hi everybody, this is Garima from Angel Guidance. In this reading, there will be a choice where you can pick up your cards. I have 3 decks over here. The first deck is with a selenite crystal over here, and the second deck is over here with a black tourmaline, and the third one is with rose quartz. So over here, I would suggest you that either you pause the video for a few seconds and meditate and pick the pile that you are most drawn to. Are you drawn to selenite, or you're drawn to black tourmaline, or you're drawn to rose quartz? Over here, while I'm doing this reading, I have this beautiful selenite tower to help me work during this reading, and a beautiful blue orgonite over here. Okay, so what I'll do is I will in my description box I will add the timestamps over here so that you can just scroll through pile number 1, 2 or 3 depending on which pile you have chosen over here. Please understand that this is a very general reading, so please take what resonates and leave what does not resonate with you. So what I'm going to do is we're going to start with pile number 1, which is for selenite. So I'll remove the other 2 decks for the moment. Yeah, so the first one over here is for the crystal selenite. I'll keep it over here as a part of the reading. Okay, so let's see what guidance our guardian angels would like to send to us through this particular pile. Okay, I'm going to pick up 6 cards and then interpret each card for you to see what guiding messages that the guardian angels are sending. Okay, the first one. Okay, let's see. The first card over here, the guardian angels are saying, I have sent the card as family. So over here, the guardian angels are saying that at the moment, those who have picked up pile number 1 are drawn to spend some quality time with family. So it's possible that lately you have not been able to spend time with your family or check on your family. You've been distant, so you've been away from your family at the moment. You have not been in contact with your family at the moment. Currently we are in this COVID situation where a lot of us have experienced lockdowns. In some countries the lockdowns have actually they have actually been lifted, but in some other countries, while in some countries the lockdown is still being lifted phase wise. So over here there is a possibility that you have not met your family for some time. So over here your guardian angels through this deck is saying that it is very important for you to spend some family time. If you have been away from your family and if you haven't spoken to them for a while because you are getting used to your new normal routine, then it's very important for you to pick up the phone and call up your family members, check on them if they're doing well, if they need anything, and if you can support them in any way. Or just just pick up the phone, speak to them. Probably they really want to speak to you. They want to share things with you, or because they've been in isolation for such a long time, they just want somebody to whom they can actually talk to. So over here your guardian angels are saying that spend some quality time with family, be it physically or on the phone, or just connect with them. Over here family also could be extended family, or it could be friends as well. Have you been thinking about a friend lately and have not spoken to them? They've been on your mind for some time, and you haven't spoken to them, you haven't got a chance to call them because you're finding yourself very busy lately because with the new normal routine that you have started? If that's the case, it's important for you to connect with that friend because they might need you, or they might give you some information, or some information that it will help you. Let's see what is the next card that the guardian angels would like to send to us. Yeah, okay, I'll pick up the third card as well and see, because it's easier then. I have to shuffle. Yeah, okay, let's see what is the second message. The second message over here that the guardian angels have sent you is be honest with yourself. Over here the angels are encouraging us to spend some quality time with ourselves as well. So it's not only about spending some quality time with the family and friends, but it is also about spending some quality time with your own self. So over here your guardian angels are saying that with the new routine you've been really been very crazy. It's been some time that you are getting used to the new routine, the new process, the new working environment from working from home. There have been some really big changes that you have recently experienced, and you are getting used to your new routine. So over here, your guardian angels are saying it is very important for you to listen to yourself as well. Listen to what your body is demanding, indicating, informing you. Listen to your intuition over here. Is there something that you have been strongly feeling, but you have been ignoring the messages because you feel that you don't have the time? It's not that we don't have time, it's just that we feel that we don't have time because we prioritize things the way we feel is in the best interest. And what really happens is when we are prioritizing uh, things, our task list, we always end up prioritizing people, our family, our spouse, children, parents, friends, work. We prioritize them over ourselves. Over here, your guardian angels are encouraging you to be honest with yourself. They're encouraging you to they're very encouraging you to actually listen to yourself, listen to what your heart says, to what your body is saying. And if they say that you need rest, make sure you give some rest to yourself. So I get this message of rest with being honest with yourself. Okay, the third card over here is entrepreneur. Over here, your guardian angels are saying, and they're trying to help you understand that because we're talking about family and being about yourself, entrepreneur card again gives an extended message over here saying that you are the owner of your life. You own your life. Don't let people around you regulate your life. Don't let people take charge of your life. It is very, very important for you to make sure that you have control over your situation. Do not complain, do not gossip, do not find faults in people around you, because that's when these are negative energies, and this is when you give your power to people around you. There is something over here that talks about you actually having control over your situation. It's more like you're letting other people drive you. It says you're letting other people control your emotions, you're letting other people control your routine, and this is not very good. Entrepreneur card over here says make sure that you are the entrepreneur of your life and you are the decision making power of yourself. Do what you feel like doing, do what brings you happiness, because it is very, very important for you to make sure that you are happy from within, and only then you will be able to help people around you. You will be only when your jug of emotions and that energy is full, only then you will be able to give out of your jug. Okay, so this is what we have. Let's shuffle the deck and again see what further guiding messages the guardian angels would like to send to us. Okay, I'm going to pick up 3 more cards to see what guiding messages want to come. Okay. Keep this deck over here. Let's see. Over here, the guardian angels have sent us the acceptance card over here. So it's amazing when these messages they flow from one card to another and they are interlinked over here. The acceptance card over here is again talking about you accepting yourself. So again, the guardian angels are actually reiterating the message from be honest with yourself, and then they are again reiterating the message from the entrepreneur card when they're saying taking control of your situation. So over here, it's just about you and your family. It's very important to make sure that you are your own priority and your family is important for you. Over here, your guardian angels are saying it's very important for you to accept yourself as the person you are. It is very important for you to be honest with yourself and accept your feelings. So what they're saying over here is that if you are finding yourself in a situation where you need to accept that there's something about some situation that is not making you happy, that the guardian angels want you to know that you have to first be honest with yourself and then accept the situation. When you're honest with yourself, and because that will help you identify the situation, and if you work on acceptance, what will happen is it will help you to work upon the situation and then find a solution for the situation, find a solution for yourself, find ways of how you can improve yourself. Let's see what the next card over here is, and the guardian angels have sent the card play. It is such a amazing way. Over here the guardian angels are saying that, you know, you have to be honest with yourself, you have to accept yourself, but you also have to remember that you have to be playful. It is very important for you to take everything in a very light manner. It's important for you to ensure that you have your happiness with you, because self-love and happiness is the most important thing for you. So over here, let's see what the message is written on the card. Over here it says, beloved one, it's time to set aside work for a while. Don't worry, we will oversee your responsibilities to their completion. Playfulness, gaiety, and laughter will lift your energy so that you will return to work with a renewed perspective and heightened energy. So over here, when we were talking about the family card over here, we spoke about how you have been very busy lately with the current situation and how things have changed. Your normal routine is no longer normal, and it's a new normal that you have. So over here, when you are engrossed in this new in the new environment, new settings that you have identified for yourself, what you have forgotten is about being playful. Is you've forgotten that it is important for you to sit and have family time and have a good laugh. Sit and have family time and watch movies, watch comedy movies, watch cartoon movies, anything that you desire, anything that brings you happiness and brings you laughter. So your guardian angels are saying that it is very important for you to take this situation in a light manner. There's a lot happening around you, but it's important for you to switch off from those situations and make sure that you relax. It's important to switch off from the situation, relax, and rejuvenate yourself so that you're filling your jug of emotions, you're filling your jug with energy so that you can pour it out every single day. So make sure that you take it light, participate in activities that make you feel very happy. Okay, and the last card over here, the guardian angels have sent the card as listen. This listen card is again very much coinciding with your first card about being honest with yourself. So your guardian angels are saying that it is very important for you to spend some quality time being with yourself. When you are going to be with yourself, that is when you will hear what you feel like, what your heart says. This is when you will actually connect with your higher self. Only when you are quiet and you are away from this chattering over here, from the family environment and with new environment of work as well, and when you are away from this environment of, you know, entrepreneurship, when you're trying to take power of your life and you're making sure that you are in control of the situation. So when you keep these chatty things outside and you're meditating and you're spending some alone time over here, that's when you are able to listen to yourself. You are able to listen to your body, you're able to listen to your mind, you are able to listen to your higher self. You are able to relax yourself and see what is within you that you would like to do next, what is within you that you would like to achieve, what are the tasks that you have assigned to yourselves, what are the goals that you want to achieve. Goals could be family goals, it could be personal goals, it could be work related goals. So it's very important for you to quiet yourself over here and make sure that you listen and see what messages the divine is sending to you through your intuition. And this is all possible when you just relax, calm yourself, and you sit by yourself. I really hope these messages resonated with pile 1, and I hope you've enjoyed this reading. Okay, so we'll close with this one. Thank you for joining in for pile 1, and please don't forget to use the comment section and share what messages resonated with you and how these messages have resonated with you and how things have progressed with you in your personal life. Okay, thank you for joining in pile 1. The second pile over here is with the black tourmaline. The crystals that I have used on each of the decks is all of them are my favorites, and all of them are the ones that I've been recently working with. So this is the black tourmaline ones. If you are the one who has been drawn to the black tourmaline one, pile 2, this is your reading. I'm going to shuffle the deck over here, and I'm going to pick up 3 cards. So I would like to let you know that this is a very general reading. So please take the messages that resonate with you and leave aside that don't resonate with you. Okay, If you would like to book a reading with me, you have my email address in the description box. So please write an email to me to make a booking. Okay, you can also join me on my Facebook page and follow me over there, and I do readings on Facebook page as well, and you can connect with me on Facebook and if you would like to book a reading for yourself. Okay, so just take the messages that resonate with you and leave out that doesn't resonate, because this is a general reading over here. Okay, so let's see what your guardian angels would like to tell you. Okay, over here the guardian angels have sent the awareness card. It's a very beautiful card over here, and over here the guardian angels are encouraging you to be aware of your environment. It is important for you to understand what is happening in and around you. In and around you is because you have to understand that there has to be a balance between your inside and the external environment over here. Your guardian angels are saying that it is very important for you to live in the current moment. Just be in the moment. So a lot of times when we have so many things happening around us, and considering the fact that the COVID situation right now, with the Mercury retrograde going direct, with what other planets being in retrograde, there is a lot happening in the cosmic energy. So over here your guardian angels are saying that it's very important for you to make sure that you are not focusing on what is in the past or what is, and worrying about the future, but it is important for you to be in the moment, and it is important for you to be living in the moment. So how about you take one day at a time and focus one day at a time and live in the moment. Don't worry about the past, don't dwell in the past, and don't worry about the future or what is going to happen. Live one day at a moment. Enjoy each and every single day that you live in, and live it to the fullest as if this is the last day that you live. And when the next day comes in, when you wake up in the morning, feel gratitude that you have another day with your family, and again live that day again as if it's the only day left. Live in the moment. Okay, the second card over here that the guardian angels have sent is the strength card. So over here, pile 2, the guardian angels are saying that you are experiencing a challenging situation over here, and that is also why that they have sent you the awareness card over here, saying that be aware and live in the present. Don't worry about the past or the future, so just let it be. And the strength card over here is letting you know that this is a situation that is divinely timed for you. Yes, you must be experiencing a lot of difficulties, and it is very difficult to very challenging, to difficult to maneuver through the situation day after day. Even it seems like the time is taking forever for a day to finish. So over here your guardian angels have sent the strength card to let you know that this challenging situation has been divinely planned for you, as it is a part of your journey. It is a part of your spiritual journey. It is a part of an awakening that you're going to be experiencing, and this situation will only make you stronger. It will you will get through the situation, there is no doubt in that. So do not give up, do not lose trust, faith in the universe, in God. That is very important over here, that do not lose your trust and faith, and know that this situation will pass soon. And you have to believe that when you come out of the situation, you will come out with flying colors, and you will also notice that you are much more stronger. And the stronger is not about physically stronger, but it is more about emotionally and mentally stronger. And you will actually see the situation as a gift for yourself, that it has helped you in your journey, in your soul journey, in your spiritual journey, and it has brought you some kind of awakening that will help you in your journey further. So over here your guardian angels are saying that do not lose hope. The black color, the unicorn's black color over here, actually tells me that your guardian angels want you to know that you are divinely protected. So don't feel that you are by yourself. Know that the unicorns and your guardian angels are there. You can always call upon them whenever you need their help, and know that they will be around you to help you. The third card over here is healer. That's such a beautiful card. And again, it's amazing when the angels are talking to us, because they're talking about being aware, living in the present, being sure that you have the strength and you don't lose hope. And then healer over here, the guardian angels are saying that you need to work upon healing yourself. So when you are going through this tough moment, you have to start working upon healing yourself, because it is important for you to let go of the past and at the same time heal yourself emotionally, physically and mentally. They're also saying that as you heal, you actually allow your soul to develop further. That's how your awakening, your ascension will happen, is when you start healing yourself. That's very beautiful. Okay, I'll pick up 3 more cards over here, and let's see what are the further guiding messages that our guardian angels and the unicorns would like to bring to us. Okay, first card for the pile 2, another card. Okay, and I'm going to shuffle the deck again to get another card for you. Okay. Okay, let's see. Over here, the guardian angels have sent us the nature card. It's very much coinciding with the awareness card over here. See the beautiful colors, they match so much over here. So your guardian angels are saying that it is very important for you to connect with nature over here. Okay, it's important for you to go out and take a walk in the nature. It is important for you to go and enjoy the nature, go enjoy the sun, the beautiful colors of the nature, and most importantly, it's talking about grounding yourself. So your guardian angels are saying that it's important for you to work upon grounding. And if you remember, you've picked up actually a black tourmaline, and the black tourmaline is actually a crystal that it helps you in protection. So we were talking about protection through the strength card over here, the color on the card. And again, the guardian angels are talking about grounding yourself, and another unique properties of this crystal is to help you ground yourself. So see how the crystals and the messages are divinely guided to us. So over here, your guardian angels are saying it is very important for you to practice grounding. Find a grounding technique that resonates with you, and make sure that you ground yourself every single day. This will actually, the more grounded you are, the more aware you will be. The grounding will actually help you live in the present. So it's very important for you to ground yourself. The next card over here is past lives. So when we're talking about the strength over here, it says that you are going through certain challenges over here. This could be through with relationships, it could be with people around you. So the strength card spoke about the challenges and how you will come out stronger. But if you're wondering why you are going through these challenges in your life, your guardian angels want to tell you that this is because of your past life connections, past life karma with people around you, and that is the reason that you are experiencing these exchange of words, communication, lack of communication, absence of communication, or whatever difficulties you're experiencing. Your guardian angels want you to know that this is a time when you are actually balancing your karmas with people from your past over here. So it's very important for you to be very patient, and it's important for you to be in a very positive light. And that is the reason your guardian angels have sent you the aware card and the nature card, because the nature will actually help you rejuvenate yourself and bringing that positivity that you really need. And then it's about patience as well. And then their guardian angels are saying that use this positivity to balance your past lives karma with people around you. Make sure you are patient, and remember, to balance your past karma, you have to make sure that you try not to build more karma with bad karma with people around you. So make sure that you are more patient, more positive in nature, and you do good deeds. The more good deeds you do, the more good karma that is what you build for yourself for your next life. Okay, and the next card over here, the last card over here, your guardian angels have sent you the card as miracles. It is such a beautiful card over here. So your guardian angels are saying that once you are working with people around you to balance your karma over here, and you are doing the good deeds that you should be doing to ensure that you help balance it and release your past life karma with people around you, this will actually bring you wisdom, will bring you a lot of strength, this process will help you to heal yourself over here, right? And this process, after you do all this and you are living in the present, not dwelling in the past, you actually manifest miracles for yourself. It's such a positive information, it's such a positive guidance over here the unicorns are bringing to us. Your guardian angels want you to know that miracles do exist, they do happen. You have to believe in them. And remember that once you're working on yourself and the situation around you, you will experience miracles over here, and you will come out with flying colors, like I just spoke to you in some time back. So over here, your guardian angels are also saying that while you are experiencing your past life karma and you are dealing with your situations over here, make sure that you surrender yourself to the universe, to the God, to the divine. Don't try and manipulate the outcome that you desire. When I say manipulate, is like, we all have options and we know this is what we want and this is what we don't want. But over here, your guardian angels are saying that surrender yourself and let the divine decide the next course of your actions, and let it be a miracle for you. And don't try to drive the outcome for yourself, because God, universe, your guardian angels and the unicorns have a better plan for you. They are seeing a bigger picture, much bigger than what you can vision at this point of time. So make sure that you release it, and you release the situation, and make sure you live in the present one by one. Use nature as a way to heal yourself, work on healing, and allow the miracles to come into your life. I really hope, pile 2, you have enjoyed your reading. If I will be will be glad to hear some comments from you, so use the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that every time I put up a new reading, you get a notification. Okay, so just hang in there, everything will be fine very soon, and you will experience miracles. Thank you for joining in. Hello, pile 3. All those who have chosen the rose quartz crystal over here, this is the reading for you. Before I begin, I would like to tell you that this is a general reading, so please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. I would also encourage you to follow me on my Facebook page, because I do readings over there. And if you would like to book a personal reading for yourself, you can send me a message on my email address that's there in the description box, or you can send me a message on my Facebook page to book a reading. Okay, so over here we have this rose quartz crystal over here, and I'm placing the crystal over here so that we get some beautiful healing energy of the crystal while we do the reading. So just take what resonates with you, leave away what doesn't. Okay, and do use the comment section and tell me what you think about the reading and how it resonates with you. I would love to hear from you. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button on my YouTube channel, so that every time I put up a new video, you are notified and you can follow me and benefit from the reading I'm doing. So what I'm going to do is I'm shuffling the deck, and I am going to pick up 3 cards, and I'm going to interpret them, and then I'm going to pick up 3 more cards and see what guiding messages our guardian angels would like to send to us. Okay, over here. So the first card over here is Autumn. So over here, your guardian angels want you to know that you probably are looking for an outcome, you're looking for a result, and you have been working very hard, and it seems like you've been getting impatient as well. So over here, your guardian angels are saying that autumn is this time when you will start to see results. You may not see complete result in the month of autumn, but it will be the start of seeing some desired outcome that you have been waiting for, of all the hard work. While you're waiting for the results to come out, the guardian angels have sent the second card as Be Yourself. So over here, your guardian angels are saying that it is very important for you to be yourself, and it is very important for you to honor yourself, and that is why we have the beautiful rose quartz crystal over here. This crystal actually brings in the message of love, and most importantly, you have to understand love begins from you. So it is important for you to have that self-love. And this beautiful card, oracle card, is actually reiterating this message of love. So your guardian angels are saying, be your authentic self. they are saying that be yourself, let the world see you as the person that you are. So they are guiding you and saying to you that it is very important for you to let go of any mask, any deceptions that you are giving out to the universe. It's important for you to remove the mask, because you don't want people to know you, to accept you as a person who you are not, but you are actually changing yourself for those circumstances or for that particular set of people. They want you to know that you are loved. God wants you to know that you are God's child and you are loved, and they want you to know that you're a beautiful person over here, and do not change yourself for somebody else. So just be yourself and be within your power. The more authentic you are, the more powerful you are. So your guardian angels are saying just be in your power. The third card over here, your guardian angels are saying, is debt paid off. So over here, your guardian angels are saying that, in the autumn, you may see some results of all your hard work, and it's important for you to be yourself, and at the same time they're saying your debts are paid off. So it's like, I hear the word karma over here. So your guardian angels are saying that you are working on a situation where you are having some difficult time, and your guardian angels want you to know that your old debts, your old karma has now been paid off. You have paid your karmas, and you are now moving and experiencing a new shift in your life. And you are actually experiencing this shift as you watch this video. The process has started, but you may not see the results immediately, and that's when this autumn card comes over here, saying that in the month of autumn is when you might see some results. Okay, another thing that suddenly has caught my attention over here is this rainbow color over here. So over here, your guardian angels have sent you a beautiful rainbow over here. So rainbow is a message about positive news and new beginnings and hope. So your guardian angels are saying that the old has now been paid off. The weight is being taken away from your shoulders. So have faith, trust, be there, do not give up, and soon you will see some new beginnings in your life. Okay, I'm going to shuffle the deck again, and I'm going to pick up 3 cards for you, and let's see what further guiding messages your guardian angels have for you. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we have 3 more cards. So let's see what are the guiding messages over here. Over here, your guardian angels have sent you the card as flower power. So over here, your guardian angels are encouraging you to spend some time in the nature. Another thing, when I want to go back over here, is when I said nature, is the butterfly. The butterfly over here, the wings have actually caught my attention. So butterfly is actually a message about transformation, and also butterfly is linked to nature, and that's how your guardian angels have sent you the flower power card over here, saying connect with nature. Know that you are going to be experiencing certain kind of transformation, so be open to it. And while you're experiencing these transformations, you will also experience certain kind of challenges sometimes, because you have to let go of the old so that you make space for the new. So your guardian angels are saying that use the power of nature to rejuvenate yourself, to ground yourself, and use the fragrance of flowers and the colors. Enjoy the colors of flowers and nature, and be present in the moment, and ground yourself and use it to heal yourself. So if you're experiencing you are experiencing a certain kind of shift, and that is it's very difficult, and it can be challenging as well. So any kind of feeling, even if you're just feeling worn out because of your daily routine, your guardian angels are saying connect to the nature and ground yourself and rejuvenate yourself by seeking a lot of positive energy from the nature over here. The next card over here that your guardian angels have sent to you is your desire is within reach. So that's another way that your guardian angels are affirming you. They are saying that autumn is when you start seeing certain results, but remember that still, even when autumn is not right there, and you are kind of losing hope, don't do that, because your desire is within reach. You may not see the results immediately, or you may not see big results immediately, but know and have faith that things are transforming. things are transforming for you, and it is important for you to be yourself during this period of time, so that you are your authentic self and you are in your power, so that you can enjoy this results for which you have worked very hard, that you're trying to manifest for yourselves. Again, over here, just like in this depth paid off, we have the butterfly wings over here. That message is actually reiterated through this wings over here, and your guardian angels want you to know that you are going to soon experience new beginnings for yourself. And while you are working and you're still working hard and moving forward, remember, it's important for you to shed the old. You have to remember to remove the old, not only from within yourself but also from your surroundings. Ask yourself, when did you declutter yourself or your surroundings the last time? It's time for you to go and check your wardrobe, your cupboards, drawers, look around, see what things that you no longer need, and you can actually give them away to charity and make space for new to enter in your life. So just remember about decluttering. It also brings me a message about cleaning, detoxifying. So make sure that you are cleaning your environment. Like, make sure that there is no dust around you, because even dust actually absorbs a lot of negative energy. So it's important for you to keep your environment clean. So if you haven't cleaned your cupboards or drawers, it's time that you start doing that one by one. But at the same time, remember and have faith that things are happening positively for you. The next card over here, your guardian angels are saying do some research. So while you are experiencing and you are experiencing this transformation, you still have to do some hard work. So don't give up on the hard work that you're doing. That is very, very important, that your guardian angels want to let you know. And while you are doing all this hard work, they are saying that some topics around you may need some extra research. So you have to make sure that you have dotted all your I's and crossed all your T's. And if you haven't, go slow. Don't take any rash decision. Do not take any quick decision. And it is important for you to spend some time doing some research. There is a topic that is new to you and you are not aware. You may have a certain deadline and you are worried that you will not be able to meet the deadline. So why don't you spend some time talking to your manager or whoever is in charge? And remember, while you have this conversation, that you are yourself and you are being honest. And over here, your guardian angels are saying, tell them that how you feel about the situation and about the topic, and that you need to do some research and you need to extend your timeline. It's important that if you find it being difficult, call upon your guardian angels to help you during the situation before you go and have your conversation with your manager or whoever is involved. And if not, that it's time for you to alter your routine a little bit, so that you can add in some extra hours doing this research work, because this will actually bring you some new information and will guide you further. So research work is very important. Don't take any immediate decision unless you do some research, talk to people around you. And if you are not sure how to go about it, make sure you ask your guardian angels, invoke their presence, and ask them to guide you. Pile 3, I really hope you have enjoyed your reading. Please don't forget to leave a comment, use the like button, and remember, take only what resonates with you, because this is a general reading. So just let go of what does not resonate with you. Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you, and angel blessings to you. Bye bye.